Yes, people, greetings from Mosha'S Reggae Lounge. Watch how I cook my oxtail now. Just like how the Jamaican people them cook it at Jamaican in the country. Just like how me used to see my mother and father cook. Just like how me see my grandfather cook. So when you come to Mosha'S Reggae Lounge, you get authentic food. You're gonna see the flavor. You see when this cook? Right now I'm setting up the fire to fry the oxtail, to brown the oxtail, right? Look at that. You see when this cook, this flame and this smoke, the oxtail gonna have a nice smoke flavor to it. Original thing. Look at this. Who in the world do this nowadays? Only in the country. Okay? This is how I'm cooking my oxtail, guys. This is how I'm cooking my oxtail. You're gonna see. Part 2 coming. Let me pause this for you. Okay, good people. See the oxtail? You see the oxtail? You see it a cook? Yeah, this is how you cook oxtail. This is how you cook authentic Jamaican food. Okay, this is how you cook authentic Jamaican food. Alright, you don't put nothing in a shake and bake oven. You don't put nothing on a gas stove. You know, when you taste this your oxtail, your Belgian, tell me say, you don't feel like you're there Jamaica. Right from the Dominican Republic. Okay, I saw me do it. Look on that. That's how me used to see my grand people them cook it. Just like this. I told you guys, I'm doing everything authentic. I'm not cutting no corner. I don't care about your money. You understand? What I care about is the authenticity of what I'm doing. So when you taste this food, you must feel Jamaica. I don't care about other people who are doing it the short way and messing around just to get money. Not me. I'm doing it the right way. You understand? Who's gonna do this? Nobody. Look at this. Look at this. Wait till you taste this oxtail, people. Wait till you taste this oxtail. You're not going to believe your eyes. You're not going to believe what you taste. When you taste the flavor of this oxtail. Trust me when I tell you that. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the fire. Real thing. Mosha'S Reggae Lounge. Out. Yes, people. So I was just giving you a little sample how I make my oxtail, right? Just so you can understand that what I'm doing here is real. I ain't here to fake, to pretend, to get your money. I'm here to give you real taste based on my experience as a Jamaican in this country. I was the first person, the first West Indian person to put a restaurant on this island. I didn't even speak Spanish when I came to this island. I didn't even speak Spanish 8 years ago. And now I'm fluent in Spanish, okay? So I paid my dues here, and like I say, I want you to have the real taste and the flavor of Jamaica, all right? In this island, I've had people come here and tell me that the food is good for them, suitable for them, and I don't want to praise myself, but like I said before, this is what I'm here to do: make authentic Jamaican food, all right? And it takes a while, but if you wait, you will never be disappointed. That's what I tell people. Listen, if you have time to wait, I have time to cook. If you don't have time to wait, I don't have no time to cook. So you won't taste the flavor. You see how I do my oxtail? Okay. Who does oxtail like that? Okay? Who does oxtail like that? I'm gonna keep you up to date. I'm gonna show you the stages, okay, of this oxtail on the fire outside, not in the kitchen on the gas grill. All right. Right now we're in Sosua Beach, Playa Sosua, Republica Dominicana, Mosha'S Reggae Lounge. Out. Okay, folks. See the oxtail? See the oxtail I cook? Watch it. Look at that. I'm telling you, people, when you taste this oxtail, I'm telling you, you're going to see what I'm talking about. All right? You're going to see what I'm talking about. Natural fire, natural flame. All right.